like, oh, this is rest of the beer tonight.
Hello.
Hello. Adrien, nice to meet you.
I understand you're someone really famous.
Really famous, I don't know, but I'm driving in the World Rally Championship. Yeah.
Well, that's pretty cool. So what are we gonna do now?
I think you're gonna enjoy it.
Okay.
You're gonna do some like a rally stage with the Mach-E Rally.
Yeah.
And yeah, I'm sure you're gonna have some fun.
Okay.
Well, I hope.
Let's go.
I hope you're gonna have. Yeah.
So how do you like the difference between a gas car and an electric car for rally?
For rally, I think it's difficult to bring the rally fully electric just because of the safety for the spectators. But in terms of driving, it's quite instantly, you know, it's quite interesting. If you can control the weight of the electric cars, I think that would be brilliant, to be fair.
So a little bit lighter you want?
Yeah, I would like lighter. Yeah, because it's twice the weight of my rally car. You know.
Oh, so that changes the driving.
That changes the driving. Yeah. Yeah. So, but apart from that, no, it's quite good to drive actually. I think you're gonna enjoy it. And,
so 700 pounds of torque.
Yes.
So that's pretty good for rallying, right?
Yeah,
like
yeah,
immediately.
That's for sure. Yeah, and it's immediately like you go there and then you've got everything. It's quite impressive.
Yeah.
I don't know for sure. We are already hybrid, so we always have we
have a little bit.
Yeah, we have a little bit, which is good. Because then we can do like long stages, we can do long road section, but still have some electric. We are in some towns on fully electric. Ready?
Let's go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
go.
Much more slippery than this morning. Yeah. That's really slippery now with the rain. It's quite crazy. Do you want a 360?
Yeah, let's do it. Wow, amazing. Wow. Well, that's the difference between a pro and us that are trying to make something cool and not really accomplish it, but you make it look so easy. And I understand you're going to race immediately after here? Where are you going?
Yeah, I'm going to Sardinia, racing for the 6th events of the World Rally Championship. And then I'm 4th of the championship. I was 3rd before. I've lost the position on the last race, but I want to get it back.
Well, good luck. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
It was fun.
So we have to do one picture together, I think.
Okay,
one
perfect.
with you alone.
Thank you.
And then we're good.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So what car you drive in the championship?
I'm driving the Ford Puma Rally 1.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, it's the highest class of the rally, and so it's 550 horsepower, 4-wheel drive, and yeah, it's hybrid. So then we have 400 horsepower.
Excellent.
Gasoline, and then it needs e-fuel, so you know it's it's a special fuel.
So it's moving into this direction, but not there yet.
Exactly. Yeah.
Well, thank you.
Thank you very much.